Imagine being able to create a full cinematic storyboard in minutes, consistent characters, cohesive lighting, and perfect framing. All without a camera, actors, or editors. Sounds impossible, right? Not anymore? Because today, I'm going to show you something that changes everything. Meet Higgsfield Popcorn, the Nano Banana Killer. This isn't just another AI image generator. Higgsfield Popcorn is the new gold standard for image editing and multi-frame storytelling. It's consistent, cinematic, aesthetic, and powerful. Think of it as your storyboard generator, image editor, and scene director, all in one place. So without further ado, let's dive in. Open your browser and search for higgsfield.ai. I'll also leave the link in the description. Once the site opens, you'll notice it's not just for one thing, it's a full creative suite. Higgsfield has image AIs, video AIs, editing AIs, and much more. But we're gonna focus on Popcorn. So, once you're on the homepage, look at the top navigation bar and click on Popcorn. That's where the magic happens. Popcorn is Higgsfield's new storytelling engine, and it's designed for creators who want full cinematic control. Higgsfield Popcorn is designed to let you build entire visual stories with full control. It solves the biggest problem in AI storytelling: consistency. Tools like Nano Banana or Seedream often fail to keep the same characters or environments across shots. Popcorn fixes that completely. Here's how it works. Upload up to 4 input images. These can be anything: your main character, a product, the setting, a logo, even your color palette or composition. Then you can either prompt each frame individually for full control, or write one master prompt to generate the entire sequence automatically. And within moments, Higgsfield Popcorn will generate up to 8 consistent storyboard frames, all matching your vibe, style, and story. For example, I'll upload 4 images: 2 girls, a dog, and a street. Then, I'll write this prompt. Dog from image 1 is playing with the person in image 3, and the person in image 4 is walking on the streets of image 2. Click Generate. And in seconds, Popcorn gives me a perfectly edited image that I can use for my storyboards. It looks like it was shot by a real photographer. The characters look identical to the ones I provided it in the photos. The mood stayed cinematic and natural, and the crazy part is you could choose this image and ask Popcorn to generate it further from here. That means you can extend the storyboard infinitely, building a full visual story step by step. This is something no other AI tool does this well. Nano Banana can generate single images, but it breaks consistency between frames. Now let's generate multiple outputs with the same photos we used before. This time my prompt is person from image 2 and person from image 3 walking the dog in image 1 in New York City. After that, hit Generate. And in just a few moments, you'll get an aesthetic and clean storyboard that you can use to further develop your story. You also have tools to animate the photos created by Popcorn, edit the photos, and upscale the images, all in one place. You also have a button that allows you to use the image in Popcorn again for your endless storyboard. Now, I'm going to generate a video from one of the images in my storyboard. All you have to do is select an image, click Animate, then write out your prompt. In this case, my prompt is going to be 2 girls walking through New York City with their dog. Then I'm going to select a model called Higgsfield Turbo, which allows me to generate videos faster, and after that, hit Generate. And within a few moments, it will create a beautifully animated video that perfectly complements your generated visuals, bringing your story to life with cinematic motion and atmosphere. Now, I'm going to do the same thing with the first storyboard image we generated. So, I'll just select the photo, click Animate. Write out my prompt. Girl in the black walks by while smiling, as the girl in the yellow pets her dog. And hit Generate. Within a few moments, it'll transform into a stunning animated scene that feels alive. Smooth motion, cinematic depth, and a seamless continuation of the story. You might be wondering what type of things you can generate with Popcorn. Well, since it's Halloween, you can also use it to generate creepy stuff like this. Or if you want to edit or swap faces, you can do that right inside Popcorn too. Just select the photos, type out a prompt, and hit Generate. And bam! You can't even tell this photo was edited. Now here's the difference. Nano Banana can give you aesthetic single shots, but not consistent ones. Seedream has a nice vibe, but lacks control. Sora 2 creates a whole story, but you can't edit specific parts. Higgsfield Popcorn combines all of it. You get Sora 2-level storytelling with full directorial control. With Higgsfield Popcorn, you're not just generating images, you're directing your own mini-film. One prompt, 4 inputs, 8 shots, infinite possibilities. And the best part? You're fully in control. You decide the story, you decide the scenes, you decide how it evolves. Now let's talk about pricing. Higgsfield offers flexible plans for every type of creator. The basic plan is just $9 per month. The Pro plan is $29 a month, giving you more power and control. The Ultimate plan is $49 per month, unlocking nearly all features. And for professionals and studios, there's the Creator plan at $250 per month, giving you the best deal. But here's the best part. If you go with the annual plans, you'll save big. The Pro plan drops from $29 to just $17 a month. The Ultimate plan drops from $49 to $29, and the Creator plan from $250 down to $150 per month. So, if you're serious about storytelling with AI, the annual option is a no-brainer. This is where AI enters Hollywood. 1 prompt, 4 inputs, 8 shots, infinite stories. And that's a wrap for today's video. As you just saw, Higgsfield Popcorn isn't just another AI tool. It's your all-in-one cinematic studio. From a single image and prompt, you can generate complete consistent storyboards, animate them, edit them, and even upscale your final shots, all right inside Higgsfield AI. If you want to try it yourself, the link is down in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI-powered storytelling tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, where we push AI creativity even further. Until then, keep experimenting, keep creating, and keep telling your stories. Because with Higgsfield, your imagination is just the beginning. Bye-bye.